A plus D Original Diaper Ointment, 4 ounce, pack of 4, by A&D is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. If you have an infant or toddler, you probably know what diaper rash looks like. Red, bumpy, chafed skin is no fun for babies or their parents. A plus D Original Ointment for Diaper Rash is a smart addition to your collection of baby skincare products. Safe to use at every diaper change, it's easy to apply and gentle on tender bottoms. A plus D Ointment helps prevent diaper rash by forming a protective barrier to help seal out wetness. It is also useful on your own skin and lips to provide soothing relief to chapped and chafed skin. Pediatrician recommended. A plus D Original Ointment is a top choice among baby skincare products recommended by pediatricians. Treats and prevents diaper rash. Lanolin and petrolatum combine to soothe and prevent diaper rash and sore bottom for your precious baby. Protect sensitive skin. A plus D Ointment, containing lanolin and petrolatum, is a skin protectant, especially formulated to protect chafed skin due to diaper rash and help seal out wetness. Easy to apply. You don't need an applicator or spatula to apply A plus D to rash. This gentle formula is smooth and spreads evenly. Relieves your chapped skin and lips, not just for babies with sore bottoms. This cream with lanolin can also be used to treat your chafed skin and lips, too.